Have you noticed how your Apple TV has been sitting unchanged for what feels like forever? It almost seems like the company just left it behind while chasing bigger products. But that assumption could not be further from reality. Something much bigger is happening behind the scenes, and it is about to reshape your entire living room experience. Before we go any further, drop a comment and tell me, are you waiting for the next Apple TV, or are you happy with what you have right now? Because what is coming next might completely change your decision. Right now, a fresh software update is already starting that transformation. The latest tvOS 26.4 update is here, and while it may look like a simple upgrade, it is actually laying the groundwork for something massive. And if you think this is impressive, what is planned for 2026 is on a completely different level. We are talking about a device that could challenge gaming consoles, act as the brain of your smart home, and even arrive at a price that no one expected. So stay with me, because every detail matters here. Let's start with what you are getting today. The current Apple TV 4K is receiving a serious software overhaul. tvOS 26.4 finally cleans up years of clutter that made the interface feel outdated. Those old standalone apps for iTunes movies and TV shows are now completely gone. Apple has been pushing users toward a unified experience for years, and now it is fully committed. Everything you want to watch, rent, or buy is now inside a single Apple TV app. The result is a much cleaner home screen that feels far more intuitive, especially for new users who use to get lost navigating multiple apps. Now here is where things get really interesting for audio lovers. If you use high-end speakers or a premium soundbar, you probably know how frustrating random audio drops and popping sounds can be. That issue has finally been addressed. Apple introduced a feature called Continuous Audio Connection, powered by Dolby MAT. Instead of constantly switching audio formats in the background, your system now maintains a steady stream of audio data. That means no more sudden cutouts, no more volume jumps, and no more annoying glitches during Dolby Atmos playback. It is one of those upgrades you do not notice at first, but once you experience it, you cannot go back. Apple also quietly fixed a long-standing issue in Apple Music that had been frustrating users for years. Spatial audio tracks used to skip the very first second playback, which completely ruined the listening experience. That bug has finally been eliminated. Now, your music starts exactly when it should, delivering the full experience from the very first beat. One of the most exciting additions in this update is something called Genius Browse. If you remember the old Genius playlist from iTunes, this feels like a modern evolution of that idea. Inside the Apple TV app, you now get curated categories based on your viewing habits. Instead of generic recommendations, you see creative groupings like Perfect Date Night or Clever Crime Stories. And the best part is how interactive it feels. When you explore a category, you can refine suggestions instantly by interacting with what you like. It turns content discovery into something dynamic and personal instead of endless scrolling. There's also a small but incredibly useful feature hidden in the update. If you go to your watch list and hold the select button, you unlock a full-screen overview of everything you are currently watching across apps. It gives you a clear, organized view of your content in one place, which makes jumping back into shows much easier. All of this makes tvOS 26.4 feel like a meaningful step forward. But let's address the bigger question. Why has there not been new Apple TV hardware for so long? The answer is strategy. According to multiple reports, Apple already has new hardware prepared. The delay is not because they are behind. It is because they are waiting for something critical to be fully ready, and that is Apple Intelligence. The next generation Apple TV, expected in 2026, is being designed as a true AI power hub. Instead of relying on cloud processing, Apple wants everything to run locally. That requires serious computing power, which is why the upcoming model is rumored to feature an A18 or even A18 Pro chip. This is the same level of performance found in flagship iPhones. And no, it is not just for streaming. It is for completely rethinking how you interact with your TV. Imagine asking your TV to find a specific scene from a movie using natural language, or filtering content based on your personal preferences in a way that feels almost human. That is the direction Apple is heading. The system will learn your habits across apps and devices, making recommendations that feel tailored specifically to you rather than based on general trends. This also ties into smart home integration. Right now, Apple TV acts as a passive hub. In the future, it becomes an active control center. Your TV could display security alerts, manage connected devices, and respond intelligently to real-time situations. It is about turning the biggest screen in your home into the central command system for everything. And then there is gaming. This is where things get disruptive. Apple has already started bringing high-end titles to its ecosystem, and the next Apple TV is expected to push that even further. With a powerful chip and increased memory, it could handle console-level gaming experiences. That means your living room setup could double as a serious gaming platform without needing a separate console. Connectivity is also getting a major upgrade. Wi-Fi 7 will bring improved stability and ultra-low latency, which is essential for cloud gaming and advanced streaming. Bluetooth improvements will make connections faster and more reliable for controllers and audio devices. Everything is being optimized to create a seamless ecosystem experience. One of the most surprising rumors is pricing. Apple may introduce a more affordable model around the $99 range. If that happens, it could dramatically expand adoption and position Apple TV as the easiest entry point into its ecosystem. And finally, a small but highly requested feature might make its debut. The new remote could include precision tracking similar to AirTag technology. That means no more searching through couch cushions. You'll be able to locate it instantly using your phone. So what should you do right now? If your current setup is struggling, the existing Apple TV 4K with the latest update is still an excellent choice. It is fast, polished, and delivers a premium experience. But if you're thinking long-term and want something built for AI, gaming, and the future of smart homes, waiting for the 2026 model could be the smarter move. Apple is not just planning a small upgrade here. They are building something that could redefine what a streaming box actually is. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.